Hello, in this video we are going to check how you can install a site-wide cart to your WooCommerce store. So in case your team doesn't support, you can have this nice icon in here that will show you your cart details. Also, this icon, it will pop up on mobile like this, and if someone will add something to cart, it will be automatically refreshed like this. It will automatically open if you want. You can change that, and it will have these details in there with the cart details, with the subtotal, with the options to check out, delete or update the product. Again, you can add as many products as you want, and the cart, it will be updated like this. You can close it, you can open it to see it, you can delete the product, you can customize everything from colors to icon. So if you want to add something like this free to your WooCommerce website, stick close and let's see how we can do that. Okay, the plugin that we're going to use, it's called Sidecar to WooCommerce in Ajax. It's done by Sutix team, and it has free options and premium options, so you can extend it if you need more on your website. So you see in here that this plugin has a lot of nice reviews. It's updated constantly, and it will not create problems with your e-commerce store. This is a test website that we're gonna use and activate the icon. You see in here that we don't have any icon in here. So yeah, this is the store, and we're going to activate the plugin first. So let's go and copy the name, Sidecar to WooCommerce, and let's go on the plugins, add new, to activate the plugin and see the settings. So let's search it. This is the plugin, we're gonna install it. I'm going to activate it, and let's refresh this. And in here we should have a sidecar option. If you click it, you'll see the general settings. So you have the general setting, the style, and the advanced, and the pro thing that can be only activated with pro. Here in the menu you have the options to auto open cart if something gets added. We're gonna let the Ajax add to cart because this is faster. Here the order for the items. Here the basket count is for the number of products or the total sum of the quantity. The empty cart button, I will put it to shop because this is the actual one that I have it. Okay, you have the sidecar header, basket icon, close icon to show it. You can show the product image, product name, price, total, product meta variations if you are using variations, links to the product, options to delete the product. You have the options to include variation in the product name in case you're selling something that has variations. In the footer you have the options to show the subtotal, show the total in the checkout button, and yeah, the cart menu, the icon, the subtotal, the count, and in here you have the options to add it to the menu if you want. I will not go into that because I will let it floating. In here you have the text. If you are having a store in other languages, you have the options to translate it and use the options you want. So I will gonna save this, and these are the general options. In here you have the styling option. You have the options to put the width for the cart. This is the actual width. Let's check it. So right now this thing should be activated, and let's go and refresh this so we can modify some of the things and see exactly what we'll do. So you see in here it is like this. Right now you have these colors, you have the title, the close button, the numbers, and things like that. So for instance, if we're going to change the width, it will make this thing bigger. So if we're gonna refresh this thing right now, we're gonna see that this thing it's bigger. And yeah, depending on what you need, you can modify the size of this. I'll read 375 star card height. This is to be on all side from start to end. Open form, it can be in the right or in the left. You can choose the font in here. Sidecar basket, this is the nice button that you're seeing in here, that you have the options to enable it or hide it. I will always show it because it's nice, and it is more easier for the customers to see exactly what they have in the basket. You have the options to disable it on the mobile if you want, but on mobile it's quite nice to have it. It again, it offers a pretty good experience. You have the options to change the shape. You can put it the square one, for instance, or the round one, depending of how you like. You see that right now it's square, and you have the icon size, so you can increase this if you want. The basket size, again, you can increase it if you want. Let me change it so you can see exactly what is happening. So if you want to make this thing bigger, you can do it like that. You have the options to not show the count. You can change the basket icon from these ones. So if you like, for instance, this one, you can use it like this. Okay, see that didn't change. Maybe I need to empty the... okay, it changed. You see that the icon changed. So you can use whatever you like from here. I will let the default on. You can change the position to top or bottom. Basket offset, this is from the top to bottom, so actually this is the distance that will pop up from here. So if you want to be, for instance, higher, you can do so. You can, for instance, put it at 300. This is from the left to right. One is good. So you see that right now, if you see it has been moved in here. You can even put it at the middle if you want. So you have a lot of flexibility to customize everything. You have the count position to be top left or right, depending where you want. I will put it in the top left. You have the basket color, so you can change the color in here. So for instance, you can make it like this. Basket background color, you can also change this like this. Let me save it and let's see. So you see that right now the basket color change with my colors, with my site colors. Okay, you have the options to change the count color. You can put it the same, or let's choose this one. Okay, let's go and check it. So you see, it's just easier to configure, and it can be configured as in detail as you like. In here, in the sidecar header, you have the options to put the text in there. For instance, you can put the header to be left, not center. Close icon size, font size, you can change it. You can change the text color in there. I will let it black like this. So if we're going to check this, you see that this header should be in left right now as we change it. close, you can change it. You have the option to change the border, sidecar body. So this is everything that's after the header. You have the option to change the font size, for instance. You can change the background color. You can change the delete position below product, delete type. You have the options to change the button in here. Let's save it and let me refresh it. So you see that the font size increased, and yeah, the close, the delete button changed again. Okay, you have the options to alter the product layout. You can change the image size. You can change the product background color, padding for the product, the shadow, product detail display be in the center, the quantity and price to show in one line or show separately. Sidecar footer is the footer for the cart, and in here you have some options to modify the padding. You can change the font size, the background color. You can change the shadow. You can change the text color, for instance, if you want to do it like this. In here you have the button position. You can change them just by moving them, and in here you can change the options to show everything in one row. Let's do it like this. You can change the button style, for instance. You can change the button background color, text color. I let it white, text over text color, over background color to be white. You can change the icon size for the shortcode if you're planning to add this with a shortcode. Let's hit save. So yeah, you have a lot of flexibility to customize this as you like. So let me refresh this, and you see in here that I've changed the text to be with blue. I put it all the buttons in one row. It doesn't look nice, but you can modify them easily. Let's go and change them and put it like this. So it's easier to go back in case you need to modify something. You see, it's looking nicer like this. So all of these are in the free version, and in here you have some options to customize it with CSS if you want. But you have also the pro options that you have some advanced things that you may need. You have the options to update quantity in there. You cannot do this in free option. You can show the shipping tax, discount, and things like that. You have the shipping calculator. You have the options to apply coupons. This free version doesn't allow you to apply coupons. You can add cross-sells, upsells, or related products, show notification, shipping bar, and yeah, these are the most important premium features. And if you're going to check the price, you see that the license is not that expensive at all. For a single site, you only pay $24. So it offers you a lot of flexibility. You have also some comparison in here with free and premium options. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you like what you have seen, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.